Our next guest is a rising pop sensation who's sure to win your hearts. Please welcome star music artist Sophie Permazzi.
Whoa! What's up, SM North Sky Grabe! Everyone, kung alam niyo yung kanta na to, sabay-sabay tayo, okay? And let's just vibe right now and enjoy this night. This is Manila.
I told you that.
Thank you, everyone. Hello, everyone. I am Sophie Permazzi, and I am a new artist from Star Music po. Kaka-release ko lang ng album ko noong March 27. Yes, thank you so much. Grabe, kinikilig ako sa inyo. Yes, everyone, I'm really grateful to be here. Thank you so much sa Star Music team and everyone that's involved in this. And of course, Heath, for having me as a guest performer. Excited na ba kayo for Heath? Ako din na-excite sa kanya. Pero before that, everyone, gusto niyo pa ba ng one song? One last song. And everyone, kakantahin ko yung original song ko. And hello to the artistas there. Alright, everyone, this is my title track for my album. It's called Deep Pop. Well, ito na yun.
Thank you, Sophie Permazzi. And also would like to thank our amazing sponsors, Hayami Party Need. Please settle down, get comfortable, and get ready to feel the heat. The moment you've been waiting for is finally here. Heatwave, the ultimate band jam is about to begin.
Inside the most house in the country to stepping into a much bigger stage. He was seen. He was remembered. He captured hearts with authenticity, strength, and undeniable charm during his very journey. But that was just the beginning. Now, Heath Hernandez is ready to redefine himself. Louder. Bolder.
Everybody wants to be strong, but not everyone can do what it takes to be strong.
Unstoppable.
Just one of the best times of my life.
With music that speaks, moves, and connects. And a vision that goes beyond the spotlight. This is not just a new chapter. This is a takeover. Heath Hernandez, ready to make big waves of music and so much more. His journey continues. Welcome to Heatwave, the ultimate fan jam.
Fix my shall we dance? You know we never play. We can better like that. Don't think I'm fit at this party. Up by somebody, I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby. told it's rare.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check is I'm chess. What's happening next, yeah? He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him instead of
I get everywhere. I don't like nobody but you, baby, yeah. 'Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah. All the bad things they stare. You're making me feel like maybe I am somebody. I can deal with bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. 'Cause I don't care as long as you just hold me there. You can take me anywhere, and you're making me feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. Wow, yo, this crowd is blowing me away. Dami nyo. Guys, sobrang saya ko na nakita at makasama kayong lahat ngayong gabi. Kaya welcome to Heatwave, my Thanksgiving fan con! From the bottom of my heart, guys, thank you so much for coming to this event, guys, this fan con. Dahil sa inyo, guys, possible lahat na nangyayari ngayon. Lahat ng support nyo, ikaw, kayo lahat. Possible mo lahat dahil sa inyo, guys. Kaya, lahat ng energy na binibigyan nyo sa akin, everyday, you guys are my fuel talaga. Kaya, I love you guys all, and thank you so much for everything. Kaya, tonight is about celebrating what we built together, guys. Kaya, thank you so much. And we've got many exciting stuff today, and I hope you guys are ready. Because this day is going to be full of surprises for everyone. We're going to make some memories we'll never forget. Nakakalimutan mo ba ito? No? That's good. Kaya mag-enjoy tayo lahat. Let's all be skibbidies!
Yes! Once again, make some noise for him! Of course, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Mapapakilala muna ako. My name is Milo Amido Jr., yung magiging host for today. Hello, Eve. Grabe, ramdam niyo ba ang energy ngayong gabi? Grabe naman, dito muna tayo. Siyempre, kitang-kita natin no, na ang daming nagmamahal sa iyo ngayong gabing ito. Hindi lang ngayon, pero siyempre, sa mga susunod pang araw, sa lahat ng klase ng selebrasyon, andyan silang lahat. Kaya naman, palakpakan naman natin muli si Pete. Yes. And of course, today is all about celebration, na celebrating that connection, nakasama kayong lahat. Kaya naman, ang gusto lang din naman talaga namin ay magpasalamat at marami pa kaming mga sorpresang ibibigay sa inyo at ipapakita ngayong gabi. Kaya ready na ba ang lahat? Kita mo later, nako tayo magsisinang dito, magsichikahan again. Hello po sa lahat ng mga family and friends at sa mga fans ni Heat na nandito ngayon. As you can see, alam mo, meron tayong silang setup dito, Heat. Ayan, ipasok na po natin. Ayan, wait lang.
Hello.
Ayan, of course, Heat, meron lang tayo dito na tatawagin natin. These are Heat to Heart interview lang. Kung saan makikilala pa natin si Heat beyond the spotlight. Pag-uusapan natin, of course, yung mga hobbies niya, yung mga interest niya, na hindi pa natin alam. Pero for sure, parang alam nyo naman lahat. Pero of course, alright, let's do this. Kaya naman, bago natin tong simulan, again, panoorin muna natin ito. Aww. Grabe, unang tanong, ilang taon ka dun sa video na yun?
Oh, I was like 12, 13 years old po. Yeah.
Same age sa akin ngayon. Just kidding. Pero ito na, syempre, alam naman natin kung kanino ka nagmana, of course. Hits, alam mo, for boxing. And taekwondo, yan si Daddy. Siyempre, mahusay ka when it comes to mixed martial arts. And talagang, grabe, action star agad, di ba? Doon sa napanood natin. Pero eto na, gusto ko lang tanungin, paano ba nagsimula yung ganong interest mo na for boxing, arnis, and taekwondo? Ano yung nauna mong natutunan doon sa tatlo?
Ang nauna ko pong natutunan sa tatlo is taekwondo po, since yun po yung main martial arts sport ko po. And ayun, nakikisali lang po ako sa mga trainings ng daddy ko sa gym nila. And ayun, as I grew older, my dad, sinali na niya ako sa taekwondo team niya sa gym namin. And ayun, I just nagpo-promote po ako ng mga belt ko and I get higher ranks. And then, ayun, nagko-compete po, ganun. And then, ayun, that's where I found my love for martial arts.
Ano yung di ba sabi mo nga kanina, yung may mga higher belt yan, ano yung pinaka nakuha mo ng mataas?
Pinaka-highest belt na nakuha ko is high brown. I'm one belt away from black. Kaya sayang.
Parang ikaw yung may-ari ng belt naman.
Plano ko mag-promotion ulit para makaklaim ko na po yung black belt name.
Grabe, syempre alam mo, ang dami natin, alam ko sa lahat ng ginagawa natin, no, ang dami nating natutunan. Pero eto ba sa life lessons na natutunan mo from training these sports, ano yung sa tingin mo na ibibigay nito sa inyo lahat?
I guess yung life lesson na natutunan ko sa martial arts is you gotta work hard for it. Kasi if you don't, it's either gonna take longer or parang hindi mo talaga makukuha yung move na inaaral mo. Kaya you really gotta work hard for it. Yeah.
Yes, mahalaga talaga yung work hard. Saka syempre iba din yung discipline, no, na ibinibigay nung ganyang klase. Kaya naman, pwede bang, wag ka sa akin, pasample na lang kami. Kasi sa akin, pwede bang, di ba gusto ba natin yun? Yeah. Pwede bang pasample naman, mga basic moves lang ng boxing, then arnis and taekwondo. Ayan.
Alright, let's try.
Buti
Yun yung mahalaga natin.
Sige, palakpakan niyo naman.
Sige.
And now, let's see anong mga susunod nating mapapanood.